we've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Are you interested in a workout scientifically proven by NASA to be twice as effective as running on a treadmill? A workout that improves every aspect of health without putting stress on joints? A workout so fun that you're sure to get addicted? You need to try rebounding. We love rebounding at Wonderview, and that is why we have designed the ultimate mini trampoline, sure to provide a fun fitness experience for kids and adults alike. Our rebounder trampoline is made with a special bungee tension system, so it's virtually silent and presents no risk of injury from metal springs. Our padded adjustable handrail makes the trampoline safe and customizable for every member of the family, kids and grown-ups. It's time to discover this incredibly fun workout with the Wonderview Mini Rebounder Trampoline.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.